having a superb sail. We're going 6.7 knots. We've got the wind coming on our port transom. Let's look at this wind behind us. Farewell, Whangaroa Harbour. Thank you for looking after us. What a beautiful sight. What an amazing sail. We're now doing between 7 and 8 knots. Notice the apparent and true winds sitting around 13, can be getting up to about 19. So let's have a look and see how the sails are looking. Just wondering and learning on loads, making sure we're not putting too much pressure on that sail. Not feeling comfortable at this point. You can see we're just heading towards the Karikari Peninsula now. An amazing sail right up to the Karikari Peninsula. Then we turned into the wind and now we're under motor. And we're heading off to Waipapa Bay. A line out and hope that I might catch myself a fish. Wow. So here we are at Waipapa Bay, just on the Karikari Peninsula. Look, right, way beyond Cool Running. That is the Cape, the top of New Zealand. So we've just set up this smoker, and in the meantime, we're off on a walk. Have you ever felt like you're the only people on planet Earth? Well, that's the feeling you get when you come up to a bay like this.